thank you for taking a moment to view our online tour. If you have any questions or need additional information, you can always reach us at trayaturi.com or by phone at 804-412-2303. Enjoy this move-in-ready 2-bedroom 2.5-bath townhome within walking distance to the library, shopping, restaurants, and Randolph-Macon College. Family room with ceiling fan and access to the back brick patio. Attached storage shed. The community clubhouse is available upon request for residents entertaining groups of friends or family. It includes a full kitchen, bathroom, and open area for entertaining, and access to the community pool.